Welcome back to the Deep Dive. So today we're tackling something you asked us about, this premium lifestyle sneaker brand, Hoff Brand.
Hoffbrand.com, yeah.
Right. They have these really vibrant, kind of colorful sneakers for men, for women.
hmm
And their whole thing is blending fashion, art, and travel-inspired designs. Sounds cool.
It does sound cool, but the big question, the one we always get.
Is it legit? Is this a real company you can trust, or is it just another pretty website that might vanish?
Exactly. That's the mission today. We've got a decent pile of sources here, and we want to show you how we figured this out.
Okay.
We're looking for those key signs of a stable, trustworthy online business. Things like, how long they've been around, are they transparent, do they have a real-world presence?
Makes sense. So let's kick things off with maybe the biggest trust signal time. How long has Hoff Brand actually existed?
Okay, so this is interesting. The website itself, the domain, was registered back in March 2016.
2016. Wow, okay.
Yeah, so that's, almost a decade now. Think about that.
That's quite a while in internet years.
It really is. It tells you this probably isn't some fly-by-night operation. I mean, scam websites, they just don't stick around for 8+ years.
Right. The overhead, the effort.
Exactly. Sustaining inventory, marketing, dealing with all the supply chain stuff, especially lately. It takes real commitment. Scammers aren't usually in it for the long haul like that.
Okay, so longevity is a big check mark. What about transparency? Is there like a face to the name?
Good question. And yes, there is. It's not just some anonymous brand. Our sources show the company was founded and is led by a CEO, Fran Morena.
Graham Morena, okay.
Having a real identifiable person in charge, that adds a whole layer of credibility, doesn't it?
Definitely. It means there's accountability if
Yeah.
something, goes sideways with your order.
Right. There's a structure, a person, not just a website contact form leading nowhere.
Okay, so stable, accountable leadership.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about reach, because you see their stuff online and their social media seems huge.
It is huge. We found over 553,000 followers just on Instagram.
Wow. 500,000.
Yeah, it's a big number. But, we always have to ask, is it just vanity? Are people actually engaged?
Good point. Likes don't always mean happy customers.
Precisely. And that's where connecting the online buzz to, real-world operations becomes so important.
Which leads us to maybe the most solid piece of evidence we found. They're not just online, are they?
Not at all. This was a key finding. They actually list multiple physical store locations right there on hoffbrand.com.
Physical stores. Okay, that's different.
It's a game changer for legitimacy. It means actual leases, staff, inventory in multiple places. A serious capital investment.
Right. It proves they operate offline, too, not just some drop shipping setup.
Exactly. It's an omni-channel strategy that builds a ton of customer confidence, much lower risk when there are actual stores somewhere.
All right, so we've got longevity, leadership, huge social proof backed by physical stores. Sounds pretty solid. But the ultimate test is always the customer experience, right?
Always. What do people who've actually spent their money think?
So let's dig into the reviews. What did Trustpilot and other sources say?
Well, the overwhelming signal is positive. That's the main takeaway.
Okay.
People consistently praise the sneaker quality, the stylish designs, which is their whole brand premise, really, and also good customer service.
So they feel like they're getting what they paid for, that premium experience.
Generally, yes. That seems to be the consensus.
But wait, were the reviews all perfect? Because honestly, 100% 5-star reviews always make me a little suspicious.
That's smart. And no, they weren't perfect, which
Yeah.
is actually counterintuitively a good sign.
How so?
It suggests the reviews are likely genuine, not overly filtered or curated. We found mentions of minor issues. For example, one buyer, Creona Murphy, was cited in the sources.
Okay, what did she say?
She mentioned small things like a little loose piece on one shoe or maybe not getting super detailed tracking updates from the courier company specifically, minor stuff.
Right, the kind of small hiccup that can happen with any real business.
Exactly. But even with those little things noted, the overall feeling from buyers was really strong. Comfortable, fashionable, worth the money that came through again and again.
Okay, so putting it all together then, we've looked at the time they've been around since 2016.
Solid history.
We've seen verifiable leadership with a Norman-named CEO.
Fran Morena, yeah. Transparency check.
Massive social following, but crucially backed by physical stores.
Real-world presence. Big plus.
And customer reviews that are overwhelmingly positive, but with enough minor specific complaints to feel authentic.
Exactly. Nuanced, real feedback.
So the final verdict.
Look, Based on everything we've examined from the sources, Hoff Brand looks like a legit and, frankly, very well-established platform.
No major red flags.
We didn't find any significant red flags at all. They seem to tick all the boxes for a trustworthy online and offline retailer.
Right, so we established this brand's legitimacy using these pillars. Longevity, transparency, social proof tied to a physical presence, and detailed customer feedback. That's a pretty good checklist, actually.
Yeah, it is.
So maybe here's a thought for you, the listener, to chew on. Now that you have this kind of evidence-based checklist, what other common assumptions you make when shopping online could maybe benefit from this kind of deeper look?